Slide edit. During a slide edit, a clip is moved without changing the clip or project duration. To accomplish this, one of the surrounding clips is extended and the other is shortened. To execute a slide edit, activate the trim tool, hold Option, then click and drag a clip. If you are not able to perform the slide edit, one or both of the surrounding clips may not have a media handle. Double-click an edit point to enter the Precision Editor, which displays the media handles in the timeline. The faded areas are the media handles for the clips at the edit point. Use the apostrophe and semicolon keys to navigate between edit points. Trim a clip by clicking and dragging it, which creates a media handle. Double-click an edit point or use Ctrl-E to close the Precision Editor. Watch as another slide edit is used to move this clip. Notice the yellow line on the out point of the clip to the left and the in point on the clip on the right. The yellow tells us there is a media handle available. When the line turns red, we have reached the end of the media handle and cannot slide any further. In Preferences, Editing, enable detailed trimming feedback. While performing a slide edit, the viewer now displays the last frame or out point of the clip on the left and the first frame or in point for the clip on the right. Although the advantages of using a slide edit may seem minimal at first, I encourage you to practice using the slide edit because you may find it saves you time.